welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn huruf Jawi. This is alif. Alif is aranab. Alif is aranab. This is ba. Ba is baju. Ba is baju. Next is ta. Ta is tali. Ta is tali. Jim is jam. Jim is jam. Jim is dari. Jim is dari. Cha is cawan. Cha is cawan. Cha is cacing. Cha is cacing. Next page. This is dau. Dau is dadu. Dal is daun. Dal is dadu. Dal is daun. Dal is datuk. Dal is datuk. For a second. Okay. Sin is sabun. Sin is sabun. Sabun is soap. Sabun is soap. Sin is surat. Sin is surat. Surat is male. Surat is male. Sin is satu. Sin is satu. Satu is sin. Satu is sin. This is pa. Pa, pa, pa. Pa is paku. Pa is paku. Pa is pisang. Pa is pisang. Nga. Nga, nga, nga. Nga is nga, nga. Nga is nga, nga. Kaf. Kaf is kuda. Kaf is kuda. Kaf is kasut. Kaf is kasut. This is lam. Lam is lembu. Lam is lembu. Lam is lampu. Lam is lampu. Ga is gambar. Ga is gambar. Ga is gigi. Ga is gigi. This is mim. This is mim. Mim is musang. Mim is musang. Mim is meja. Mim is meja. Nun is nanas. Nun is nanas. Nun is nenek. Nun is nenek. This is ba. Ba jarasa palana. Next page. Huruf Jawi. This is huruf Jawi. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more subscribers. Thank you for watching huruf Jawi. Thank you for watching huruf Jawi. One more thing to read. That's it. Bye, guys.